What's up, everybody? Welcome to G-Man's Breaks. Sorry it's been a little while since my last post. Hasn't been too much that's come out lately that I've either been interested in purchasing or is worth spending the $500 to open a box worth of it. So I did go to the local card shop today, and I snagged a few packs of Allen Ginter 2019, just because I heard bad news that apparently 2020 Allen Ginter has been postponed from the end of July all the way to the middle of September. And for those of you who know me, Allen Ginter is like my favorite stuff to break. So now that it's pushed back all the way to September, I think I'm going to try to save up my money and possibly buy a case. And most likely I'll break the case live for everybody as a personal, and probably do 2 videos, half case a piece. But for now, we're stuck with opening things that I can find that aren't too outrageously expensive. And yeah, today it happened to be Allen Ginter 2019. So anyways, I also wanted to highlight real quick, appreciate it, Dustin. He traded me so I could get this pretty sweet Josh Jung silhouette autograph numbered out of 199. Josh Jung, of course, a fellow Texas Tech alum like myself, Wreckham. And so I appreciate that, Dustin. And hope everybody enjoys the video. Let's get some good luck out of these packs. So let's just start cracking them open, see what we get. Hopefully we get something pretty cool here. And yeah. So we got Hillary Knight, Andy Pettit, Aaron Judge, Stephen Piscotty, Dustin Pedroia. We got our mini, a Corgi, collectible canines, and then our mares and stallions, a Holsteiner, and lastly we got Evan Longoria. So far nothing too crazy. As many of y'all probably know, one of the main reasons why I love this product so much is there's just so many inserts and awesome things that you can get from it. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this product. And I think the cards look really nice compared to Series 1 and things like that. So anyways, here we go. Let's crack into our next pack. I believe there were 11 packs total that we grabbed. So anyways, here's a Rafael Devers, a David Boat, a Chris Bryant, I think Tony Olivia, nice looking dude right there, plain. We got a mini Pat Neshek, just the regular back. We also got a Steo and Charlie Morton. I'll have to look on the back. They do have a glossy variation too, which I've never gotten one, but it's a 1-of-1 card that is glossy, so that's something to look out for. Here we go. Here's a Nomar Mazara, a Roberto Clemente, Tuki Toussaint, Jose Ramirez, and oh, here's a cool looking little mini. Not sure why it's backwards, but it's a Lorenzo Cain, a Blake Snell, a Miles Mikolas, and a D. Gordon. So the first 3 packs, we haven't hit anything. Like I said, this might be just a dud. Somebody might have already gone through the packs and gotten all the hits, but hopefully we get a rip card. That'd be pretty sweet to show everybody. Oh, and we actually did get a hit, so that's pretty sweet. I think it's just a relic though. But here's an Eric Hosmer, a Jansen, Harmon Killebrew, a Yasiel Puig. Oh, this one's cool, and it's an Allen and Ginter back. So we'll set that off to the side. Here's a Merlin Staff. Last card is a Xander Bogaerts, and our first hit. That is a really sharp looking Andrew Benintendi relic card. Really sweet. I'm going to sleeve that bad boy up real quick. Oh, it's cool. Move the Josh Young out of the way for now. Sorry, Josh. I'm going to grab a sleeve for our Puig as well. There's the Puig. Alright. So that's not too shabby. 4 packs in, and we've already got a relic. So, pretty cool. Let's see. Now we got Roberto Alomar, a Butcher, Chris Sale, Connor Falefa, a Cepeda, a Mike Trout Ginter Greats, and oh, this is pretty sweet. A Lookout Below card. I've opened a bunch of these boxes already, and you don't really find too many of these Lookout Below cards. So I always appreciate when I get one. I just like the way they look. They look really sharp. This is the falls over in Vietnam. So that's pretty sweet. And then finally, a Frank Thomas. Alright, next pack. This one feels real weird. I think we might... Well, now that I say that, never mind. I guess they all feel weird. Actually, wait a minute. Sweet, I think we just got another hit. Awesome, boys and girls. So here's a Willie McCovey, a Luis Urias rookie card, regular back. Here's a Carlos Santana, and Odin's Throne. Here's a Butcher relic, Ray Butcher Comedian. Pretty cool looking. Not sure what it is. Maybe a sock. Who knows? But pretty cool. Then we got the Albert Pujols and the Nolan Arenado. Cool. So we have hit two relics so far, which I was not expecting that. But I think we're going to save that pack because that one felt kind of like the ones that I've hit the relics with. So we'll save that one for later. Here's a Rhys Hoskins, a Hideki Matsui, Blake Snell, oops, a Claiborne, oops, Claiborne, regular back. Here's a Tom Seaver, Old Stromalong's Harpoon, Stormalong, excuse me, Harpoon, a Walker Buehler, and a Don Mattingly. Okay, that is our last and final hit, so that was actually pretty epic. So yeah, so we'll just save that one over there to the side. Here's a Rocks. I think he's a chemist. Here's an Adam Ottavino. Nice looking Jose Abreu. Just a regular back. Here's a Framber Valdez rookie card, Anthony Rizzo, Yoenis Cespedes, nice looking Cleveland Bay horse, and a Eddie Rosario. Sorry, Ahmed Rosario. Eddie Rosario plays for the Twins. I've already got all the horses. I think that was pretty cool this year. I also got all the airplanes already, which I also thought was pretty cool. I heard that for 2020 they're going to come out with skyscrapers, so I'm actually really excited for that, being a nerd when it comes to like architecture and engineering. So yeah, here's a Jonathan Lucroy, Alex Bregman, a Yuli Gurriel Mini, regular back, a Yadier Molina, Bonomo, a Barry Larkin, a Carl Yastrzemski, and a nice looking Pete Alonso rookie card. I'm actually going to sleeve that one because I am a big polar bear fan. I mean, who doesn't like somebody with the nickname the polar bear? So that's pretty cool, I think. Alright, last two packs. And luckily, I did get all three of the hits. So that's pretty cool. Here's a Dawson, a Jose Altuve, a Roger Maris, Eddie Murray, a Stio, and this one is also a Allen Ginter back. So we'll sleeve that one here in a second. A Sandy Koufax, a Rookie Burns, and a Robinson Cano. Alrighty, so I did get a pretty cool glance at least the border of what our next relic is, so I'm excited. Hopefully it's an auto, but I'd be happy with anything. So here we go. Rod Carew. I got a Dale Murphy, a AJ Pollock, a nice looking Ramon Laureano rookie card, black border, plain. I got the Andrew McCutchen, and our last hit is a, oh nice, a Bo Jackson bat relic. That one is sweet. That'll go along real nicely with some of the other relics that I've gotten from this product. Pretty epic. It's my first Bo Jackson card. So that is sweet. A nice framed Bo Jackson mini. So that one's tight. Okay. So just a quick recap, and actually let me sleeve this bad boy up too. So no autographs, but we did get lucky with the regular hits. We got all three of them, which I was definitely not expecting. But hey, it's definitely better than nothing. So we'll start it off with the Pete Alonso rookie base. We also got the Allen and Ginter back Stio card mini. We got the really nice looking Yasiel Puig Allen and Ginter back mini. We got the Ramon Laureano black border rookie card, and a really nice looking Lookout Below waterfall card of Banyak Dishan Falls in China and Vietnam. It's the largest waterfall in Asia and among the most stunning in the world. So that's pretty cool. And then our three hits that we got the Ray Butcher, little t-shirt, jersey patch, whatever you want to call it. We got the really sweet looking Andrew Benintendi jersey card. It's my first Benintendi jersey card. And definitely my personal favorite from this break, the really sick mini framed Bo Jackson bat relic. Pretty sweet. That'll go nicely with my collection. So I really appreciate everybody watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And like I said, I'll try to open up some more just random packs and stuff while we wait for 2020 Allen Ginter to arrive here in September. I also plan probably next month, I believe is when it comes out, I'm going to grab a couple of boxes of a Clearly Authentic, which looks like this from 2019. I'll show y'all an example. Hopefully this is one of my cooler ones now, just a Michael Chavis autograph. It's an acetate, so it's see-through, which is pretty cool. Here, this might be the one that's... Yeah, this one's better. Here's my Alan Trammell autograph. Numbered 3/25. Acetate from Clearly Authentic. That was pretty cool. Anyways, looking forward to that coming out. Definitely going to grab 2 or 3 boxes of that. And yeah, I appreciate everybody watching the videos. Like, subscribe, comment with any questions or anything, and we'll try to open up some more stuff here pretty soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.